Hi, and welcome to first of many Elementor tips and tricks video tutorials. In this short video, you are going to learn how to customize and add gradient to your website action button within the Elementor page builder. Give it unique look and make it stand out on your website. This will work on both free and pro version of the Elementor. Action buttons are added to the website for various reasons, and they normally prompt website visitors to buy products or services that they may offer, explore additional information, or download content from the website. Okay, so first we're going to add button to our website. We can change the text, add external link if you want to lead your audience to the external source, choose the size of the button, add icon from icon library, and choose alignment of the button. To add gradient to the button, click Style. Here you can also choose text color and change background type to gradient. Choose colors you'd like to fade in into one another to create a gradient effect. Once colors chosen, you can increase the size of each color within the button of your website. You can change effect of the gradient, either linear or radial. If you choose linear, you can manipulate the angle of your colors within the button of your website. If you choose radial, more options will become available positioning your gradient. You can apply even further editing by clicking Box Shadow. Within Positioning sections, click Inset and modify Shadow Effect within your button. Once you're satisfied with the new look of your website button, click Update to save changes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in my next video.